has a chair! Just bite it! What's happening in your mouth? Bite it! What's happening in your mouth? Bite it!
He was winning.
Come on, Sarah!
Come on, get that big mouth on it!
And I love how slow you're
Get your big
Come on,
mouth
boys,
on
go!
it! You're not
Don't
hot,
stick your
come on,
tongue
go.
out!
Come on, Sierra. Shoot your bite. Come on now.
Come on, bite it!
What happened to one in the end there?
Get it.
Did you make it?
Don't fall.
You drop it?
He dropped it. He
He
dropped it.
It's hard to do.
Jump!
Come on!
You have to put the whole thing in your mouth.
Bite that thing!
Bite it!
Eat the size of Tenzin.
You're in a big hurry there, aren't you?
Just eat that puppy. I am. Pretend it's your favorite cake right above you.
Oh, damn it, man.
You're bumping the guy next to you.
It fell
You want
in
to come
my
around this
hand.
side?
It fell in my hand.
You drop?
It fell into my hand, so can I eat it?
Oh, yeah, it's clean. She caught it.
Or she'll call you chicken every day for the rest of your life. Eat the rest of that.
Are you going to do chocolate donuts again?
No, sugar glazes is the next one.
What donuts are we doing this time?
Yes!
Is that more?